Hello and welcome to this quick lesson on VM scale sets. With the VM scale sets we can deploy and scale a group of identical VMs. Common scale triggers are scaling on a fixed state, scaling based on a schedule, and scaling based on metrics. The configuration of a VM scale set is versioned. We can choose to apply new versions automatically or manually. The default is that we would have to apply the new version manually. When we set it to automatic, then Azure can decide at its own discretion how it will upgrade our VMs. For instance, Azure could decide to upgrade all VMs at once, which causes service downtime. So in this case, automatic does not mean intelligent. Rolling means that the VM scale set rolls out the update in batches across the VM scale set. With the rolling option, we can also add an optional pause. With the rolling option, it can happen that during a short period of time, we run different configurations or application versions in our VM scale set. The rolling mode also requires that we add either a health probe or the application health extension. Let's talk about a feature that is a bit confusing at first, and that feature is called over-provisioning. When you try VM scale sets for yourself, you will notice one strange thing. When the VM scale set scales up, it launches 2 additional VMs instead of 1. That's strange. Why is that? Well, the spirit is that Azure wants at least one of the VMs to survive, and so it starts 2 VMs instead of 1. If both VMs succeed, then Azure will eventually terminate one VM. We will not be charged by Azure for the second VM, but given that the VM is registered, for instance with a load balancer or so, this might lead to imbalance and we don't want that. We can turn that behavior off by setting over-provision to false in the deployment. Okay, so that's it for our quick lesson on VM scale sets. For a hands-on lesson, follow the tutorial link to Microsoft Learn. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.